There's a quick video here, just going to be going over why I traded today and also why I took a loss. I'm finishing the day on Friday the 24th of March red, and it is due to a silly mistake. This is my first red day of the month, and yeah, I just want to basically clarify why I'm red, and also, you know, what I shouldn't have done. So going on to the daily chart. Obviously, before anything, I always map up my EMAs, but in this short video, I'm not going to be bothering with that. So, let's go back to the 15. You can already see that we're not gapping out yesterday's range. And if you are inside of Discord, you would notice that I would have alerted without the bottom, or this black line here at 18866 being taken out. So, I already broke one of my rules by not actually waiting for price to test this area. Because I did actually end up shorting at 190.60-ish. Which was obviously a mistake because I didn't wait for LOD to break. Yeah, I mean, there's not really much to say on this trade. For instance, I was short here. I had my stop loss originally up here, and I was obviously targeting around 166.60 area. So, you know, obviously I'm breaking my rules already because I'm entering the trade without seeing lower day break, which was you know, already a red flag. But the next red flag was the fact that I actually I literally averaged into the position, increasing my loss if it were to go against me, of which I did. So for instance, I actually entered more shorts down here. Honestly, I don't know why, but I did. I just thought I had conviction for the trade, and yeah, I don't know. I just really thought that it was going to work out. And then I actually entered a third position of the trade, and I entered it roughly here on this candle, at the low of this candle, of which I did get wicked into. And bear in mind that this time my stop loss was around, you know, 19120 around here for every position. So yeah, that's basically what we're looking at. So 3 positions, all stopped out, all bearish, all short in the same stock. And we lost $220 on this day so far. I'm not going to be trading anymore because, quite frankly, I do not like this choppy price action. I do not like the way that market makers have actually stepped in here and also pushed prices down past the previous lower day, just making this pivot. You know, it just doesn't really make sense to me. Like, why would they want to do that? You know, it's just all like confusion in this area now. If we break above here, then, you know, I'm expecting for a move, but, you know, I can't actually be asked to wait for the price action to get there, and I'd rather take the time I have now and you know, spend it doing something else instead of getting a little wound up around the stock market. So yeah, let's just clarify again, make it a little more clear why I'm actually red, sorry. So these are my L's for today of what I didn't do wrong. As always, let's bring in this text box. So the first thing I didn't do wrong was wait for previous low of day to break before trading. So that's the first thing I did wrong. The second thing I did wrong was, I increased my size. With no valid setup / direction. They're the only things I did wrong today. I mean, it just is what it is. Luckily, I didn't lose that much on this trade. I'm just still a little bit annoyed because obviously I did break my rules, and, you know, everyone hates breaking their rules. You just feel like an absolute idiot, especially when it goes against you. But yeah, anyways guys, that is it for this video. I hope you all have a lovely weekend, and I'll catch you in Monday's trade review if I do place any trades. So yeah, I'll catch you guys then. Take care, look after yourselves, etc. All that good stuff.